This is the 30 by 25 vibration knife cutting machine installed with a beef knife head. This is the beef knife head. It can install different degree for knife. And this is the vibration knife head. Machine also installed with the CCD camera. This is the CCD camera. This is the beveling knife head. And this is the vibration knife head. Total 3 heads. It can cut this kind of design pattern on the KT board. The machine table could put the target for vacuum. This table is a vacuum pump. Let's see the nameplate for the machine. And this is the cabinet, double-side cabinet.